Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at a pretty hot desktop accessory. And by pretty hot, I mean really hot. Because in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at a desktop heater. And the reason I have a desktop heater is because I live in the basement of a house and it gets pretty cold during winter time. And I thought there had to be something more utile because I don't want the entire room heated. I just need to make sure that I'm nice and warm. Now, the reason I decided to get a portable desktop heater is because the one I had beforehand would use a lot of electricity to the point where my electricity bill would go up $100 a month just because of that thing. And so this portable speaker on Amazon, I was able to pick up for $30, and I thought I'll test it out, see how it is to keep myself warm during winter times. Now, design-wise, this portable heater at first does look like a portable speaker because of the mesh lining at the front, but it's not, it's just a heater. I really like the design because it stands out a lot from other heaters in general. Now, the best way to describe the shape is that it pretty much looks like a bongo in the sense that it doesn't make the noise, but build-wise, everything else is pretty much the exact same. It's made out of plastic, but it is durable plastic from what I see. At the top, you do have a mesh grill, and on the other side, you do have a power on and off button, as well as the air intake, where the heater takes in the air and pushes out hotter air. Now, sound-wise, this portable heater is not the quietest. There are other ones on Amazon which are much more quiet, but this one in particular does have a bit of noise. And to give you guys a better idea, here's a quick sound test. At the top as well, you do have a little touch sensor where you do have the option to have medium heat or high heat, as well as if you tap it one more time, that's when it turns the heater off. Now, another cool thing about the design is that you can place it on any angle, and you can either have it shooting straight towards you, or if you flip it over a little bit, it angles it upwards. And that's pretty cool because you can literally choose any side you want, complete freedom. The one thing that I will say though about this heater is that unfortunately, the cable is pretty short. It's almost a little over 2 feet, giving you not too much flexibility as to where you can plug it in and where you can position it. If you have an extension cord, then you got complete freedom, but by itself, it's not long enough in my opinion. Now, for my testing, this thing packs a punch. It is very hot, and when I have it on my desk and I'm casually working, I become warm and it heats my face up, which is very nice. Does the job perfectly fine. For $30, it is very much worth it in my opinion. Not only does it save you on your electricity bills because it draws less power, but it also is very compact and you can pretty much take it anywhere. If I want to use it at my desk when I'm working, or if I want to take it into my bedroom and heat myself when I'm in bed. Now, when you turn the heater off, you do have to wait 1 minute though for it to blow out all the hot air so it doesn't mess up the motors. Now, it's pretty cool that the heater does that just to make sure that the heater stays safe and ensures durability for long-term usage. In my opinion, if you're someone who lives in a basement suite or just anywhere that's pretty cold, a portable heater is definitely a good pickup because whether you're sitting at your desk, in your room, kitchen, cooking, doing whatever, you can pretty much take it anywhere and it will heat you up and make sure you're warm. And warmth makes everyone more comfy and feel at home. With that being said, if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It genuinely means the world to us and it helps the channel grow day by day. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.